Western Mass mourning the tragic death of a 13-year-old girl from Holyoke.
Her parents speaking out exclusively to Western Mass News, saying she passed away from COVID-19 complications after allegedly coming in contact with the virus at the Holyoke Community Charter School.
Western Mass News reporter Briseda Landaverde joins us live in Holyoke with more. Briseda.
Yeah, well, Chris, joining just devastating moments for the family of Gigi Rodriguez. They say she was battling the virus for 2 weeks, and now they're hoping more attention is given to remote learning opportunities. The family of 13-year-old Giada Gigi Rodriguez left with a copy of her last heartbeats and an imprint of her hand.
It's not her, it's her hand, but it's not her.
Gigi passed away on October 22nd following COVID-19 complications, according to her death certificate. 2 weeks before that, she started feeling ill.
She started complaining her throat was a bit itchy.
Her mother, Wanda Rodriguez, tells Western Mass News Gigi was not vaccinated, and on October 10th, Gigi tested positive for COVID-19.
She had a hard time knowing that she was positive and afraid to get anybody else to test positive because of it.
Gigi was at home recovering from the virus, and the day before her quarantine was set to end, her mom says she was doing well.
She had a great day. It was her last day of quarantine, so we were all excited because she was getting back to normal.
But the next day, on October 22nd, things took a bad turn. Gigi's lips were purple, and her mom decided to take her to Bay State Medical Center.
She asked her sister for a hug before she left, and we didn't even get out of the dining room when she collapsed.
Gigi suffered from multiple organ failures and was pronounced dead at the hospital. Her father, Eric Rodriguez, says this news was devastating.
Just to try and walk into that room and see her the way she was, and not be able to give her a proper goodbye.
Her parents say she allegedly contracted the virus at Holyoke Community Charter School. We reached out to school officials who could not comment on Gigi's death, but they tell us in a statement, after discussions with the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education and the local Department of Public Health, the school will transition to remote learning from November 1st to November 5th. They go on to say, in part, quote, all students and staff must get a PCR COVID-19 test on November 2nd. Those who test negative for COVID-19 will return to the building on Monday, November 8th, 2021. This decision was made out of an abundance of caution and due to increases of COVID-19 cases among students and staff. And the family is having a service for Gigi tonight, starting at 5 for relatives and then at 6 for the public. Of course, we will have more on this coming up tonight at 6. For now, reporting live in Holyoke, Briseda Landaverde for Western Mass News.